Hey, so I know you already know how important reviews are for your business, but what do you do with them after you get them? Let me show you 3 ways that you can showcase your reviews so you can attract and book new clients. First up, share a screenshot of your review to your Instagram story. So head to your Google business page through Google Maps, click on your business, and then click on reviews, and then screenshot the review that you want to share. From here, head to your camera roll so you can edit the screenshot to be just the picture of the actual review. I like to crop out my client's name too, just for their privacy. Now open up Instagram and you can actually share it to your story. So open your Instagram page, click on the plus sign, and then choose the photo of your review that you want to add to the actual story. From here, you can add to the story. I like to add a GIF. Sometimes that'll say client love. So you can open your GIFs and then type that in and you'll get a few options that you can choose from, or you can add whatever you like and then hit share to your story on the bottom left hand side of the screen when you're ready to go. Next, you want to save this story to a highlight for reviews because stories only last 24 hours. So you want people to be able to see this review longer than that 24 hours. So you're going to go back to the story in the right hand corner, click on highlight, and then if you don't already have a review highlight, create one and call it reviews or whatever you like to, but reviews is really straightforward, and then type that in and save it to highlight. And from here on out, you can save all your future review screenshots or reviews that you share to your stories in this highlight for future clients to see. The second way to showcase your reviews is to copy and paste them and use them as a caption for one of your posts or reels. So go back to your Google business page and open the review that you want to share and then tap on it and copy will pop up. Then go to Instagram, and from here you're going to create a post. So let's choose a photo of some eyebrows. So you can craft your caption however you want. So I'm going to start with client love and some arrows to gain some attention, and then I'm going to paste the review that we just copied, and then I can share this post as I normally would. And the final way to showcase your review is to make it into a pretty looking post or reel, and I'm going to do that using Canva. You can do it with the free Canva or the premium Canva paid account. So you have copied the review already. So now you're going to go into Canva and choose Instagram post. I like the square one. And then you're going to type in quote into the templates, and you can see that you can get a whole bunch of different quote templates, but I want it to be a certain aesthetic to fit my feed. So I'm going to type in quote in black, and then you see that even more options come up that are a little more aesthetically pleasing, at least for what I'm looking for. So I like this one here. So I'm going to type in, paste in the review from my client, and then up here I'm going to change it to client review. Really, really obvious. It looks clean, but it looks really, really nice too. And then I'm just going to download this right from Canva and post it to my Instagram account. Those are 3 free and easy ways to showcase your reviews to attract and book more clients. If you like this video, hit like and subscribe. I put out new videos twice a week. See you then.